Hi, just to recap on video 80, the fan coils. This is the completed logic. I've added in cooling valve binary and heating valve binary. So you still got the analog outputs, but I've also added binary in there. And all we've done there is I said greater than 10, switch that on, and greater than 10 on the PI loop, switch the cooling valve on. Currently we're unoccupied. The time here is 21:07, and this is only occupied from 8 to 5 on a Sunday. In fact, I can get rid of that one, so delete that, save it, because it's only from Monday to Friday anyway. And what's happening at the moment is I'm using a automated, where it calculates, it adjusts itself every 10 seconds and from the space temperature, and I'm using that. So you can see 29.6 at the moment, and you can see that the heating valve is on even though we're unoccupied. The heating valve here is on and we are unoccupied, and it's the sine wave that I've used. So I've just set a 10 and a 20, and every 10 seconds it updates itself, and it will go between 10 degrees and 30 degrees. That's that. So hence that's the reason why you're seeing this on at the moment. It wants the heating on because it's now saying 16.5. Yeah, it is unoccupied, but in the description of operation, unoccupied heating mode until the space temperature is 3 degrees above the original heating set point. And if the space temperature rises above the unoccupied cooling set point, the fan will turn on and operate unoccupied cooling mode until the space temperature is 3 degrees below the unoccupied cooling set point. The unoccupied cooling set point is 23, and the unoccupied heating set point is 18. So we've got the temperature going down to below 18, we're unoccupied, so we will actually put the heating coil on and run the fan across the coil. And as you can see, we've got the fan on here, and we've currently got a heating coil on at the moment. And this is the, like I said before, this is the digital part of it. We've got the high and low temperatures over a delay, but when we first start on, we increase that delay to 5 minutes. And so first start on, we increase that to 5 minutes. Let's actually put the time clock on, the scheduler on. So we're 21:10, so if I cover it with this, save. So we're occupied, fan is on, and we're winding up at the moment. We want heating because we are at 10.4 space temperature. Let's just override this so we can just prove the action. So we'll override this to 22 degrees. So we're near enough near the set point. That's 24, sorry, is the set point there. So 24, that's degrees centigrade. Let's just change that. Centigrade. Okay, save. I've got some more here as well. Let's change that to centigrade. Save. For Celsius. Change that to Celsius. Save. Twenty-four. So I'm just looking for the. Here we've got one there. Change that to Celsius. Save. And we've got some down here. Celsius. And this one here, Celsius. think that's about it. So we're at 22, set points at 24. So we are currently heating and we're winding up on the loop there. So let's set that to 24.1 degrees. Starting to wind down now, that's 85. We've hit set point, we've gone over set point. We could quicken up that loop on the once we've matched set point. We could just do a numeric switch. We could say that the set point's greater than that, use a numeric switch. And we can adjust the proportional and the integral and make it faster, i.e. put that to 12, put that to 6. And that would drop like well, it would go down pretty fast. At the moment it's just steady on its way down. If I go above the set point, it's going to go faster. So if I say that's, but the problem then is going to go into cooling. So if I emergency override and I put that to 26, you will see that this will go down faster. So it's dropping down faster now. But then it's going to go to the cooling mode eventually. So let's put that back to 24.1. Just slowing itself down again. So unoccupied mode is 18 degrees. Occupied mode is 23 degrees. Sorry, unoccupied cooling is 23. Unoccupied heating is 18. Fan coil set point is 22. And then we've got a fan coil override there. Let me just turn that, set that to auto. So mode auto, safety is on. That's a 5-minute delay coming from when we're first starting. So occupied start is there. Enable. So scheduler's on, that's on, safety's on, and the 5-minute delay there. So if we follow this back from the supply fan is on. We're in auto mode there. We've got an enable, our safety's okay, our mode is true, and our override is off. So we follow it from there, that enable. We've got normal, so this is a mode, it's an OR gate, so this is a mode that we're using at the moment. Occupied, there, true. So that's your scheduler, which is true. The safety is fine. The mode is fine, it's in true mode, and we're not overridden in any way whatsoever. And if we take that actions set, and then we can select override on. So again, that's still overrid there. There's your override on in the OR gate. We're still in auto and auto's on, but if we turn the fan coil off, that will go false, but we've got the override on there. Basically it's a enum, it's an equal value of 3. So if we look at that, you will see 3 override on, 2 is override off. So what that is for is this block here. So let's turn the fan coil to auto. So we're on at the moment, the fan coil and supply fan is on. Let's turn the fan coil is on, and I don't want the fan coil to be on, I want it to be off. So I can go there, action set, and I can set the mode to override off, and it's turned that off now, as you can see. Put it back to auto. Okay, I'll turn the time clock off. So let's just delete that event, go save, go back. Now that's going to go off because we're not meeting unoccupied cooling 23. Let's put that to 22. So that's now 22. So now that's gone off. The reason it was on was because we were unoccupied and the temperature was above 23. So that's now off, and then we can also go to this fan co mode set and we can override on, and that's the fan co coming on now. I think that's about it. Actions, set, back to auto. Take that override off there. So it will just randomly give figures there, and naturally it will start heating or cooling valve because we're unoccupied and we've gone over or under these set points. I think that's about it. Alarm delay set point, I think I explained that in the video. I explained the alarms in the video. Yeah, I think that is it. If you want to pause this and read this description of operation here, feel free to do that. Thank you for watching.